In today's video, we are going to talk about my simple nail care routine. As you can already see, this is how bad they look right now. And at the end, we are going to do some small things to make them look pretty. Now, let's get started. So, first of all, quickly wash your hands with soap so that you do not have any gandagi on your hand. And then we'll proceed to remove our nail paint. For that, I'm using Faces Canada Insta Remove Nail Paint Remover. It's amazing dip and twist nail paint remover. I'm gonna leave the link in description box below. It's so simple. You just have to put your finger inside it, twist the bottle or twist your finger, and ta-da! This is how clean they look. And the added advantage is it has vitamin E and it smells so beautiful. I love its fragrance. And now we have our clean, beautiful nails ready. So now we'll move to the next part of it where I'm gonna scrub and clean my nails. For that, again, I'm gonna wash it, and I'm using my old toothbrush to basically remove the dirt from my nails. I'm using normal soap, and I'm just gonna scrub my nail bed. Make sure that you clean the area under your nails also, so that you get rid of all the dirt which is accumulated inside your nails. Do this step slowly and make sure that you're not using very hard bristles wala toothbrush. It should be like the soft ones. And like, this is a simple jugaad that I do to keep my nails clean. I'm quickly gonna wash my hands, and then we'll move to the moisturization and the nail care part. For that, I'm using Dot & Key hand cream. If you do not have that, do not worry, you can take any oil. I like to use coconut oil from Max Care. It's super hydrating and moisturizing. For the days when my nails need extra care, I mix both of them, and then I start massaging my hand. Now, while you're massaging your hands, make sure that you're trying to spend a good amount of time on each and every nail of your hand. Do it slowly, do it nicely. Your nails will be nice and moisturized, and they look beautiful. So now let's move on to the nail clipping part. For that, I'm using this nail clipper from Vega. It's affordable, it's nice, you can find it anywhere. And then we'll get to clipping our nails. So as you can see, my nails are really brittle, so I have to keep them trimmed. I'm not a person who is a fan of long nails, so I like to keep them at this particular length. While clipping your nails, make sure you do it slowly. Do not cut your whole nail at one go, even though the nail clippers are curved at the end, but still, I think it's really harmful. It can break your nail. So I like to go in parts, just like the way I'm showing in the video. Now make sure you always cut it till the length you like it, and then we are going to file it. So always leave that scope, okay? And that's why I like to moisturize my nails so that they don't chip or they don't look brittle when I try to cut them. And now using this extension from the Vega nail clipper, I'm just going to file my nails. Now while filing, make sure that you always file in one direction. Do not go back and forth, because that can always leave rough edges. So do it just the way I'm doing it in the video. Go for a single direction. So the motive here is just to file off all the sharp or rough edges and bring it in a nice and proper shape. So that's what I'm trying to do. And once I'm done, this is how beautiful, not this, like this is how beautiful my nails look. And then I'm trying to push the skin a little backwards. What it does, it first of all gives you the area to clean your nails. Secondly, it makes your nails appear a little longer. So whatever skin that grows on your nails, just try to push it back. And you have to be really gentle while you're trying to do it. Do not do it with the pointed part. I am doing it from the sideways of this file. Now we'll proceed to removing the dirt and the dead skin cells that have grown under your nails. So I'm doing it with the pointed part right now, but I'm being very gentle. Now when you'll keep like going the way I am doing it and push it a little inside your nails, you will see the white part coming out of it. This is the dirt or the dead skin which gets accumulated inside your nails. It looks gross, but it is very important to remove it. So please do it just the way I am doing it. I did it for all of my nails, and at the end I could see this much of dirt. And even though we've already scrubbed them, you will always find this step giving you a lot of dirt. So that's why it's really important. And this also helps in shaping your nails under them, so that you remove the skin under your nails and they look more nicer and cleaner, and the white part is exposed. So that's why I like to do it, and it gives a nice shape to my nails. Now quickly wash them, and we are going to scrub them again, so that whatever dirt that has been accumulated, that just goes off. And once that's done, look at my nails. Now tell me what they were looking earlier and how they look right now. It's time to nail paint them, and I'm gonna use this one from Juice. I've recently bought it. It's super affordable and a good quality nail paint. I'm gonna leave the link in description box below. Now when it comes to nail paint application, I'm not an expert, clearly you will see it in the video, but this is how I go about it. I take a decent decent amount of product on the nail brush, and then I go for a few strokes on my nails. I always end up getting a lot of nail paint on the skin area also. But do not worry, we can use, earbuds dipped in the remover or stuff like that, and then just go about it. And if you do not want to take that paint, do not worry. Next day when you'll take bath, this nail paint would automatically be removed. And basically this is how I go about painting my nails. So I do it for all of my nails, and then once the first coat has dried up, I go for the second coat. And this is how pretty cute, nice and simple my nails look. So I think this was a pretty simple nail care routine. It is imperfect, but that's how I do it. Now I'll just quickly go for the second coat on my nails so that I can just secure the first one, and ta-da! We have the beautiful plain and simple nails ready. I'm gonna leave the links in description box below, and this is time to say bye. Let me flaunt my nails, and do not forget to hit the like button. See you!